What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick update here on net gas, gold, silver, and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So first, I'm going to give you the levels of resistance and support, a level that has been broken, and then I'm going to give you the bearish Fibonacci levels if you want to enter in an aggressive way or in a non-aggressive way. So I'm going to give you all that in this video, starting with Oanda platform first. Now, the zone that was broken recently was a level of structure, as you can see, that has been broken. Now that will likely act as a level of resistance, which is 2.395. That goes up to 2.475. Now to enter from the zones which is above, all I want to see a pullback to the zone and then a bearish engulfing pattern or a condition like double top entry pattern. If we have that, I'll be entering my sell trade. Now this is the condition to enter from the area of value I've just mentioned. Now for aggressive entry, for aggressive traders, all you need to look at, pull up your Fibonacci tool from low to the high of this zone. Now I'm going to give you one more condition in very short moment. Now first, all you need to look at a pullback. It is likely that price will push up to 50% retracement. Now 25% to 50% retracement is my buffer area from where I expect a good push down. Now for limit orders, you can either set up your order at 50% retracement and then go 180 or manage it till 1.618 retracement. So all I'm expecting a push up within this buffer zone and then a possible push lower. Stop loss will be above this pattern and take profit. One can be 180 and then manage it till 1.618 retracement. So this is an aggressive way to enter your trade with a limit order right here. Now non-aggressive traders, all you want to see a pullback below 50 EMA wherever you get, followed by bearish engulfing pattern. If you remember, we took this trade last week, something like this, a condition like this. If that happens below 50 EMA, I'm going to go short. I will use 1 or 2 ATR for my targets if I want to manage my trades. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at. Now, if the price dramatically falls, this is the zone from where I'm expecting a very big bounce because it is a major level of support that has been tested multiple times and a good zone from where we can expect some reversal right here. The level it is 1.959, that goes up to 2.059. Once the price gets to my level, I will look for my bullish engulfers, double bottoms, hammer candles, 382 candle bullish, all my entry conditions. So at this point, I'm looking at bearish trades with conditions. I've already given you the ways to enter aggressively and for less aggressive traders. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at to take my trades. Now the price can also push up, the condition I was talking about, the price can also pull up to 50% retracement if you use the lower level of this area. So that is also valid. It's totally up to you if you want to use the upper level for the 50% entry or the lower level for the 50% retracement. If you use the lower level and then let's say the price pushes up, in that case you'll still be in the trade, but then in that case you will get a better price to enter if you use the upper level of the resistance. This is the condition I want to talk about. Look for that as well. It's totally up to you if you want to use the upper or lower level. I will personally use the upper level of the area of value. Right here on capital.com, if you are trading on this platform, the zone that has been broken, it is 2.110, that goes up to 2.252. An area if now we get a pullback inside of with bearish engulfers, double top, in that case I will look for my sell trade. If we have a retest of this zone, then a bearish engulfer, or I'm looking at a bearish trade from this area if we have a condition at this point. Now for aggressive entry, from low to the upper level of the zone, because the lower level is right here. That is too lower, but I want to use the upper level so that we have a good gap from 50 EMA. So once we have a pullback to 50% retracement, this is your aggressive entry. 180 is your target and take profit 2 can be 1.618 retracement. So not taking any sell trades till we are trading below 50 and 20 EMA. The buy trades will be only if you have a dramatic push down to the area below, which is right here. That is a big level right here. 1.545, that goes to 1.676, an area from where I'll be entering my counter buy trades if we get a good fall to the zone with the condition I've already mentioned. For now, for aggressive entries, I've already mentioned that push up, bearish engulfer from the zone. For less aggressive traders, a pullback of few green candles followed by bearish engulfing pattern below 50 EMA for less aggressive entries. These are the conditions I'll be looking at for my possible trades. Right here on Nemex, if you are trading on this platform, exactly the same conditions. All you need to do is use the minor level for your aggressive entries, something like this with a push up. Bearish engulfer can be your entry and sell limit order will be your order type in this type of entry, or a pullback of few candles and then bearish engulfing pattern. That is a less aggressive way to enter the trade. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at for aggressive and non-aggressive entry. Now if we get a good push up to the zone that has been recently broken, 2.441, that goes up to 2.555. Now, is a chance that we get a good push up first at this anchor level right here, and then we can get a possible bearish condition like bearish engulfers from this anchor level, or a better level will be right here with bearish engulfers or double top entry pattern here on NEMEX platform if you are trading or using this platform for your trading. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at for my sell trades only, as now we are broken below all the EMAs. The next zone for NEMEX I'm going to mark once we are completely broken below this area where the price is currently inside of, which is right here. So look for the conditions. Once we have the conditions, we are good to go for our trades. Then we have gold. Gold is now above 50 EMA but still ranging within this box. If you remember my yesterday's video, I've said that all I want to see a break above this high. Once we have a break above this high, we start to look for our entries. Now we have a push up above this high, but the candle did not close. But now we can start to look for the pullback entry bullish. Look at the conditions. I can't see a bullish condition here, but if we have, let's say, a small red candle and then a bigger green candle that happens above 50 EMA, in that case, now we can enter our valid buy trade. So if we have this condition, we are good to go long. Otherwise, if there is no condition, I'll still wait for the price to break above and close above this consolidation for the price to push higher to the next level above, which is right here. I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video all the zones, which is 2070.82 that goes to 2077.04 from where we can enter our sell trades. I've already mentioned the zone below in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out. All the zones I've already marked in my yesterday's video, including DXY as well. Then we have silver. Silver is now pushing up. Now at this point we have a new high, exactly as gold. If we have a red and green candle, in that case we will have a valid buy pullback entry, and I will go long using 1 ATR for my targets and keep on taking longs till we are in the zone above right here, 24.26. that goes up to 24.66, from where we can look for sell opportunities with bearish engulfers, double top, inverted hammers, 382 candles bearish. For now I'm expecting a push up with conditions only. Remember, without conditions we are just gambling in the market. Conditions are very important. Look for the conditions. With that we are good to go long. As now we are above 50 and 20 EMA, I'm only looking for bullish trades for gold and silver both. Last one we have crude oil. Is now pushing lower. Your take profit has been hit nicely if you are managing it. At this point we are above 50 EMA. If this current candle closed as a bullish engulfing candle, then in that case we will have a valid buy signal and price will likely push up till this recent high. Then exactly as mentioned yesterday, I'll look for a double top pattern with bearish engulfers, inverted hammers, 382 candle bearish. Now if you're looking for the double top pattern, I don't want to see a price to close above this high. The wick can go above, but the candle cannot close above. If the candle close above, in that case we will have an invalid double top pattern if we have that pattern. For now, all you need to look at a bullish engulfer. If we have that, we are good to go long. Or if we have a red and green candle below this pattern, let's say if we have an invalid pattern here, and we can still look for the bullish trade as long as we are above 50 EMA for a pullback entry bullish. So these are the conditions that we're looking at for commodities. Keep an eye. Once we have the conditions, we are good to go for our trades. Hope you're getting value out of my videos. If yes, hit a like button for me. It really helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.